everyone, I am CHITRAPRIYA and you are watching Chira's house. Welcome to my channel, and today's video is all about 4 basic crochet stitches. If you want to learn how to crochet, then this video is definitely for you. So please watch till the end. Also, if you like my videos, subscribe to my channel, like, share, comments, and let's get started.
So I have took 4 individual hooks and yarns. Sizes are 3 mm, 3.5 mm, 4 mm, 4.5 mm. Now with a single knot, making some chain stitches. So hold the hook like this. Always remember your hook's head should be in your left side. Yarn over and pull through. Again I am showing you, make a single knot like this, hold the yarn or hook and yarn over and pull through. Again yarn over and pull through, and repeat this for 5 to 10 times. So this is the chain stitch. Now with another hook and yarn, I am making some single crochet stitches. So making some chains 5 to 8 times. Always remember, chains are the basic stitches. They are called foundation stitches for any crochet projects. For this stage, insert your hook into the first chain, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops together. Again insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull through 2 loops together, and repeat this process. So this is single crochet stitches looks like. Next is half double crochet stitches. So taking some chain stitches, yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain stitch. You have 3 loops on your hook. Now yarn over and pull through 3 loops together. Again yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain and yarn over, pull all 3 loops together. Again yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull all 3 loops together, and repeat this process. And half double crochet looks like this. Next stage is double crochet. So again taking some base chain stitches, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and repeat this process from 6 to 10 times. Yarn over, put your hook into next chain stitch, yarn over. You should have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull next 2 stitches or loops, again yarn over and pull next 2 loops together. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, again yarn over, take 2 loops together and yarn over, again pull 2 loops together. Now repeat this process for the rest of the chains. And double crochet actually look looks like this. So if you like my video, if you have learned something from my video, please like, share and comments on it, and thank you for watching.